In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize list views in Salesforce perfectly tailored to suit your administrative needs. Whether you're managing accounts, opportunities, or leads, list views are a powerful feature for streamlining your workflow, and today I'll guide you through each step of the process. To get started, you'll first want to click on the App Launcher. This is your gateway to accessing all of the objects within Salesforce that you're going to be working with. Once you've got that opened, navigate to an object like Accounts, Opportunities, or Leads. These objects are the heart of Salesforce and where you'll manage your data. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the New option. This is where the creation of your custom list view begins. Now think about the specific view you need. Perhaps it's Open Opportunities this month. Enter this name and notice that Salesforce autofills the API name for you, a convenient feature that saves you time and reduces errors. You'll then need to consider who should have access to this list view. Salesforce offers you several options for visibility. You can choose to keep it private, visible to only you, open it to all users, or share it with specific groups. Make your choice based on who needs access to this information. Once you've set the visibility, go ahead and click Save to move forward. Now it's time to refine your data with filters. Locate and click the filter icon, which resembles a funnel. Here you can start adding filters based on field values to tailor the view to your needs. For instance, you might filter by a specific stage, like prospecting, or a close date that falls this month. These filters help narrow down the large volume of records to just those pertinent to your objectives. When you're satisfied with your filters, click Done and remember to hit Save to retain your settings. Your next task is to customize which fields will be displayed in your list view. Click the gear icon again and this time select Fields to Display. Now you'll see two columns, Available Fields and Visible Fields. Move fields between these columns to include only the most relevant data in your list view. To further tailor how the information is presented, you can arrange the column order by clicking the up or down arrows next to each field. This step is crucial for enhancing the readability of your list view according to your focus or presentation needs. Once you've got everything in place, click Save to finalize your custom list view. You now have a powerful tool at your disposal for efficiently managing and accessing your data within Salesforce. By following these steps, you've not only streamlined your work process, but also empowered yourself to make data-driven decisions with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy administrating.